Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 15. Okay, so yesterday you guys saw that I got basically most of my sleeve done. Actually, let me put it on so you guys can see how far I've gotten. Okay, this is how far my sleeve is. So I needed to go all the way down here. So even though it seems like I made a lot of progress, I really have a lot to go because it literally has to go all the way down there. So I really have to knit a lot today. I want to get to at least right here today, maybe. Like I want to just like either finish my sleeve completely or like get to the point where I'm almost at the ribbing. I probably won't get to the ribbing. So yeah, I want to get to the point where like I'm about to start the ribbing. Like I'll be starting the ribbing tomorrow. That's how far I want to get. So at least like right here, I have the whole day. It's 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10:29. So I have time. So let's get it. Alright guys, I got close. It looks like it's not like close, but literally I have like this much left to, oh you guys can't see me, I have like this much left to knit, and I know most of it will be like ribbing, so I'll probably like I'll probably do like a few more rows after I finish this video, like edit it and stuff. Like tonight I'll probably do a few more rows, and then tomorrow I'll definitely be starting on a ribbing since I got my 9-inch circular needles. But this is how much progress I got done today. This much, and that's about like 3-4 inches, which is crazy, but this is how the sweater is looking so far. Like, do you see how close I am to finishing this sleeve? I'm super excited. Ta-da! Okay guys, so I wanted to show you guys the needles because they finally came in and I'm super excited. So I know, actually let me not guess, let me just open the packages so you guys can just see, because anyway, yeah. Okay, so 3 of them came in. This came in the other day. Oh, actually 2 came in. So this is the 3mm and this is the 3.5. I got these off Amazon, and I'll just link the store in my description so you guys can get these if you want. But this one is the 3.5 and this one is the 3mm one. It actually says 2.5 to 3mm and this one says 4 to 3.5. I don't know what that means. All I know is that they're 9 inches, which is exactly what I need for it, which is exactly what I need. What am I trying to say? Like, I need 9 inches so I don't have to do magic loops, so that's what matters. And let me see this one. I thought this one had 2 in it, or maybe they both have 2. I have no idea. Okay, now this one is 4mm. This one's the 4mm. This one is the 3.5 and this one is the 3mm. And then I bought a 4.5 too, but that's coming in like after Christmas. But let me open the 3mm since that, oh, it's a US 2.5, which is a 3mm. Okay, so let me open it so you guys can see exactly how small it is. Like, oh my goodness, I can't even imagine knitting. Oh, these are so small. They're like the length of my hand. That's not a good comparison, but they're this small. This is a 3.5. I mean, this is 3. This looks thick. Yeah, it says 3mm, but the store is Chiagu and it's stainless steel. So I'm excited to use this. I'll be using it for the sweater I'm currently working on because I've done magic loop before and I didn't really care for it, like the method. And then I saw someone else using a 9-inch for like to do the cuff instead of magic loop, and I was like, we can do that. So I bought these right away and I'm super excited to use these. I literally can't wait. So, but of course I'll show you guys whenever I do end up doing the sleeve. But I also bought that bag I was telling you guys about. It's like I don't know how to like say it. It's not a project bag, but it's like a pouch. Let me just show you guys instead of packaging is really nice. I was just getting ready to rip it open, but I forgot to show you guys. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Maybe it is a, I'm sorry you guys, this is a project bag. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a project bag. I did not know it was a project bag. I thought it was like a pouch you just put like your row counter and crochet hooks when you crochet, and just a tool bag basically. I did not know it was an actual legit project bag. This is so beautiful. And I got it from the Love Stitch. And this is how it looks up close. This is so pretty. I'm excited to use this. I'll probably use it for my smaller projects. I really don't plan on doing like socks or beanies. I'm just not interested in that. So I'll probably use it like when I want to make like tank tops and stuff like that. But yeah, this is super, super cute. I really thought it was a small bag. I didn't know it was a project bag, but that's nice. Yay. Okay, so let me actually, I'm gonna put these needles in here. Actually no, I need to put that with this. Yeah. Okay, so that's all the packages I have. Now it is advent calendar time. So yesterday we had this beautiful, beautiful purple that looked like it should have been day one's own, but that wasn't the case. And at this point I really don't even care about the colors anymore, now that like it's just doing whatever it wants to do. I'm just here for the ride. So here is day 15. I'm really excited to see what it is, because literally these colors have been so random that like I can't even guess anymore, and I really don't even care to guess. I'm just excited to work with it. So let's see what day 15 has. Okay, I'm opening it. I'm opening it. I opened it. What? What is going on? What is this? This is pretty. It reminds me like of fall in a way, but not like, you know, like, I don't know. It just gives me fall vibes. This is really pretty. Super, super pretty. I would have never guessed the color would look like this. That's why I said I'm done guessing, because at this point it's random. Like, it's so random. So this was the past 3 days. Literally could never have guessed any of these. But honestly, I don't even care anymore. The yarn is really pretty, and I guess that's what matters. But I did enjoy like the beginning of the fade. It was so nice and enjoyable. But anyway, that is day 15. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see all the skeins we have so far. So this is how it all looks. I would still say day 5 and day, what is this one, 13 are my favorites, because this color is just so beautiful. And then this right here, I don't know what about it, but it is just beautiful. But that's how it all looks. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.